So we'll choose one of my title blocks. I'll choose a B landscape. And if I were to insert the caster, I have different configurations I could use. So if I go to a default, it will drop the default caster. If I go to dropping the caster as a exploded view, now it drops the caster exploded. All right, so I'm going to bring my scale up a little bit on this. 1 to 8, let's go 1 to 2, much bigger, nice. Okay, and then what we can do from here is we can actually balloon this. So it would be insert a table, and we're going to use a bill of materials. Bill of materials standard, check that off, and we'll just drop that for now. All right, I'll come back to that bill of materials table. But these names are coming from what your file names are. So this is why it's important to name your file name something that makes sense. Okay, and then I'm also going to balloon these, and I want to do an auto balloon. So if you just balloon, it will pull out like this example you see there. I'm gonna hit auto balloon. Check. Oops, I practiced select the view. Select the view, auto balloon. There we go. Okay, check it. Now, if you take a look, these numbers correspond to my bill of materials. So now what you're doing is getting these organized, and you can see I didn't get my my bolt in a nice location here. All right, but I can have this, pull these apart, clean this up, pull my bill of materials table in so it makes sense. And that would be the start of how we're going to work with exploded views. All right. We also want to get some exploded line drawings in here. And that's going to be done if I control tab over to my exploded view here. We can actually start working on our exploded line sketches, which basically what that's doing is telling me how these items connect. So this to there, and you'll see it gives me an exploded line of how that connects. Okay, control tab. It should update with my exploded lines on this view.